So as you know, in our professional level paper, there are 4 optional paper, and out of which we need to choose any 2, right? And there are 2 compulsory paper, that is the SBR and the SBL. That's compulsory, that every ACCA student need to attempt. But in optional paper, there are 4 options, and lots of students get confused which paper to choose, right? I will share my experience, or I will share my idea to figure out which paper to choose or which one not. So first one is ATX, right? So if you go for the ATX, you will have a good grip over the UK tax and regulation. So if you want to work in the UK firm like UK outsourcing or any UK company, so ATX is the good option. So your all the knowledge will be applicable in your practical life, and it will be easy if you want to move to the UK. Other one is AAA, that is the audit. So if you are interested in the audit field, then AAA is best for you. And last 2 is AFM and the APM. So basically these 2 paper are based on the analysis of the performance, like financial and non-financial figure, right? So if I talk about the AFM, so if you are good at the investment banking or the equity shares, so AFM seems to be perfect for you. So for those who want to work in the investment banking or the corporate finance or as the financial strategies, then AFM subject cover all these things, and it will help you to excel in your role. So next one is your APM. So it is ideal for those students who enjoy analyzing the business performance, designing the strategy to improve the operation. So APM is perfect for them. So if I talk about the passing rate, APM has the lowest passing rate, right? So I hope now you will be able to figure out which paper to go or which one to not according to your interest. So do let me know in the comment box which 2 paper you have chosen in your professional level.